Oh, you're just a little monkey. You're just a little monkey.
Look,
Yeah, what is that?
a truck.
Are those from Nana and Papa too?
Yeah.
Wow.
Ugh.
That's for you and Caitlin, okay? Wow, you guys don't have any trucks, do you?
Yeah.
Wow, fun.
How do you open it?
Wow. You want me to open it for you, Ren?
Yeah.
Let me see. All right.
What do you think about that, Kate?
I'm not so sure about that one.
Cake is a purple one. Jack in the box.